Hello and welcome to this lesson on idiomatic phrases, and today we're concentrating on phrases using tener. Tener means in Spanish to have. Let's have a look at some of the uses of this idiomatic phrasing. So idiomatic means that it doesn't do exactly, literally what it would translate as. So we're looking today at phrases which use tener, which means in Spanish to have, where in English we would say I am, as in using the verb to be. So to start with, we're going to have a look at the verb tener to make sure we know how to do this in different persons of the verb. Okay, so we've got first of all the singular verbs. The first one is tengo, tienes, tiene. Okay, and this verb should be reasonably familiar to you. After that we've got the plural ones, which might be a bit more tricky. So, tenemos, we have, tenéis, you plural, and then tienen, they have. So, tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen. Okay, so once we've learned this verb then, we can start to have a look at some of the phrases which work with this verb tener. I've got some fantastic pictures here to try and demonstrate what we're trying to do. First of all then, we're going to do everything with the first person of the verb tener. So it's tengo, and just to remind you, it's the yo form, okay, just for this example. So the first one then, we would say tengo miedo. Okay, if you look at the picture, they've just seen a ghost. Literally means I have fear. But in English we would say I am scared. But remember, in Spanish it's tengo for I have, miedo for fear. Next one, calor. Tengo calor. I have heat. I am hot. Tengo suerte. I have luck. I am lucky. Tengo sueño. I have tiredness. Literally, but in English, I am tired. On to the bottom row then. Tengo prisa. I have haste. Literally, I'm in a hurry. Tengo hambre. I have hunger. I'm hungry. Tengo frío. I have coldness. I have cold. Okay, meaning I am cold. Y finalmente, tengo sed. I am thirsty. I have thirst. Next up, we're going to look at some ejemplos, some examples. So have a look at this first one then, and this is exactly what we were talking about in the previous slide then. So we're looking to be able to say I am hot. So we say tengo mucho calor. Literally, I have lots of heat. But obviously once we translate it, and this is the idiomatic part, it becomes I am really hot. So again, something that people mix up is this mucho, lots of. Ejemplo dos. Tengo sueño. I have sleepiness, I am sleepy. Tiene miedo. So here we've used a different person of the verb, so we can do that. So she is scared, as you can see in the picture. Tiene miedo, she has fear. And finally, we're using another different person. Tenemos mucho frío. We are really cold. Tenemos mucho frío. Okay, so that's tener phrases. Another one of those idiomatic uses, because it doesn't translate literally to what it would be from Spanish into English. Okay, muchas gracias.